In this video, we want to divide one polynomial by a polynomial of a lesser degree. Since we are dividing by a quadratic polynomial, we are forced to use long division. As you see, I've already set up our algorithm, putting the dividend under the bar and our divisor on the outside. Additionally, in order for the algorithm to work appropriately, we need to use placeholders, the 0x squared and the 0x, so that our columns line up when we go through the algorithm. Right? Notice our dividend is missing an x squared term, so I put in a 0x squared, and our divisor is missing an x term, so I put in a 0x. So we run through the algorithm just like we go through an algorithm for long division of numbers. X squared goes into 2x to the fourth, 2x squared times, right? If we multiply 2x squared by x squared, we get the 2x to the fourth that we are looking for. And we also multiply the rest of the divisor by the 2x squared as well. So we get a 0x cubed plus 2x squared. The next step in the algorithm is to subtract. 2x to the fourth minus 2x to the fourth is 0. X cubed minus 0x cubed is x cubed. And a 0x squared minus 2x squared is a negative 2x squared. Bring down the x term and repeat the process. X times x squared will get us x cubed. And then x times the rest of the divisor, 0x squared plus x, and subtract. After we subtract, we're left with a negative 2x squared minus a 3x. Bring the last term down. And then look at how many times x squared goes into negative 2x squared. That's a negative 2. Multiply by the divisor. And subtract. And we're left with a negative 3x plus 5 at the end. Most problems ask you to identify the quotient and the remainder. The quadratic on top is the quotient, and our remainder is at the bottom.